Are you currently having problems with network error on your Bluesky Social app and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this issue. So actually me myself, I have had a lot of these problems before, and the ways that I fixed it is to actually firstly close my Bluesky app, and instead I went into my settings app. So on my settings app, then what I did, I just scrolled down in here and then I clicked where it says general, as you can see. Then I clicked on storage. And by the way, for some of you that are using an Android, you're going to be able to follow along as well, just so you know step by step. You just need to find on your Android settings, I don't know unfortunately where it is exactly, but find storage on your Android settings, because then you should be taken to a page very similar to this, even if you have an iPhone or Android. So in here we're just going to click on the search symbol in the top right corner, as you can see. Search for Bluesky in here and click on it. And as you can see, we should now be taken to this page. Now I clicked on offload app in here and I clicked on offload app again, as you can see. And I just waited a couple of seconds and I clicked on the blue button here again. And I just waited for my Bluesky app to completely load, as you can see, because after it was done, I just went back into my app and it was working for me. So we can try once again here. Just going to take me some loading time here. And as you can see, it seems to actually work now as it should. Before it was just like network error all the time. So try this and hopefully this will be able to be solved for you as well.